In 2010, Emma Czornobaj was driving her car, a Honda Civic, on Highway 30 in Candiac. She stopped her car to help a group of about 7 ducklings that she saw. She stopped her car, got out. Her car was parked in the left-hand lane. As she tried to help the ducks, she served as a distraction to other drivers who were driving on the highway. Andre Roy, driving on a Harley-Davidson motorcycle with his 16-year-old daughter Jessie on the back, crashed into the car and both died as a result of the collision. Earlier this year, Emma Czornobaj had her trial, a jury trial, and was convicted on all of the 4 counts she faced. During a sometimes emotional sentence hearing today at the Montreal courthouse, the Crown asked that she serve a 9-month prison sentence as well as 240 hours of community service, whereas the defense lawyer Marc Labelle said this is a case that does not merit any prison sentence at all.
Yeah, we've asked Judge Perrault to give to the accused a suspended sentence. This means that the accused is placed on probation for a period of no more than 3 years. And there are conditions imposed in the probation, which is to serve, to do 240 hours of community works.
The sentence hearing opened with a very emotional testimony from, a very emotional statement from Pauline Velikakis, the widow of Andre Roy, the mother of Jessie Roy, the victims in this case.
Justice will take its course and we'll see what happens in the future.
Mrs. Velikakis testified to how the impact it has been on her life. She said the most difficult thing she's ever gone through in her life is to go to a funeral home and choose 2 urns for the remains of the 2 people she loved the most in her life.
It comes to get me. It's my daughter, my husband. The accident caused the end of my life. My life stopped that day, and that's how it was. And I have to deal with the consequences, and I have to live with the everyday challenge that I have to go through.
This is now the sentencing stage, and the judge, Eliane Perrault, is expected to render her decision on December the 18th.